Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert icons in MS Word. So very easily you can insert icons in MS Word. So follow some my few easy steps. So first you need to click on insert. Now here you see this icons. Just click on it and here you see this so many options are there. Cartoon people, stickers, cut out people's image and etc. So select as you need, like here picture also available, like more. So select which one you like and like this select it and click on insert. You see here this is very easily inserted. So this way you can very easily insert. So, like this select it, insert. This is the icon. So this way you can easily insert icons in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.